Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thanks for the time for this presentation. I'm glad to see you all in this conference by Zoom meeting. I hope you are all well. Well, in this presentation, we are going to discuss about the study of distribution of chicken manure fertilizer for papaya growth and production beneath unproductive palm oil. First, introduction. The use of land among palm oil plantation with intercropping pattern can increase the efficiency of the land use for palm oil plantation. Basically, the application of intercropping pattern is aimed to increase the efficiency of land use for palm oil plantation and increase farmer income. The advantage can be obtained with the intercropping technique on palm oil plantation is to economize the cost for land management and increase the income based on the land size. The site plant selected should have the ability to compete each other so the plant can interact properly and do not complete each other. This must be taken into consideration because it can give impact to growth and the primary plant, land preservation and pest control, which will increase the production and farmer income. The type of annual plant which has potential to grow properly in palm oil plantation X0 for 4 years old is papaya. Papaya allows the farmer to increase the income and it can also act as the cover crop, which is able to decrease evaporation in plantation area. So, the possibility of papaya plant development among palm oil plant is quite big, since that intensity which can be tolerated by papaya commodity on unproductive palm oil plant can reach 90%. The attempt for physical improvement could be done with modification in order to obtain the designated level of tolerance and to obtain optimal growth and production of papaya plant in palm oil ecosystem. The distribution of chicken manure fertilizer to papaya plant not only can give contribution of nutrition to the plant, but also can improve the land productivity on palm oil plant media. This study is aimed to find out the palm oil plant growth as well as the growth and production of papaya plant as a set plant among palm oil plants which get the chicken manure and inorganic fertilizer treatment. Material and method. This study was conducted in Kebun Rakyat in Nagasari Village, Mestong, Muara Jambi. The site is located 30 above sea level with situ climate and red-yellow podzolic land. This research was started from February to June 2020, and then material and tools. We are palm oil plant X 2 years old, California papaya and Rabi papaya, and then chicken manure fertilizer. Next, this study used experimental method, random complete block design structure with 2 factors and for repetition was applied. The first factor was variety, which was variety 1 is California papaya, variety 2 is Rabi papaya, and then the second factor was chicken manure fertilizer, which was the one P0 is without a fertilizer distribution, which P1, P2, P3 and P4 we were 50 gram of chicken manure fertilizer until 200 gram of chicken manure fertilizer. Result and discussion. We can see from the table it can be concluded that the distribution of chicken manure had real impact on the plant height age 5 until 6 months after cultivating. The interaction between two treatments show the real impact to the plant height. However, the variety of papaya plant didn't show the real impact on the plant height. Next, from table 2, it can be seen from every treatment of chicken manure fertilizer distribution, the highest average obtained is at the age of 6 months after the cultivating, with dose of 150 gram of chicken manure fertilizer. The result is 31.75 cm. Meanwhile, at the interaction among Rabi papaya with dose of 150 gram of chicken manure fertilizer on 6 months after the cultivating, the diameter obtained is 32.25 cm. Next, from table 3, we can show that the distribution of chicken manure fertilizer doesn't give real impact to the number of leaves. However, the distribution of 150 gram of chicken manure show the highest average on 5 months after cultivating, which is 27.27 strand, and increase on 6 months after cultivating, which is 32.50 strands. The interaction between 150 gram of chicken manure treatment and Rabi papaya gives the real impact on 5 months after cultivating, which is 28.75 strand and 32.25 strand on 6-month-old plant. Next, table 4 show that the chicken manure fertilizer distribution gives the real impact on the length of papaya fruit. The distribution of chicken manure fertilizer with dose of 200 gram has the highest average on 6 months after cultivating fruit, which is 33.53 cm. And the interaction between the distribution of 200 gram of chicken manure and California papaya gives the real impact, especially for the fruit at 6 months old after the cultivating, which is 35 cm. The California papaya fruit length is superior to Rabi papaya. Next, table 5 shows that chicken manure distribution has the real impact on the papaya fruit circumference. The distribution of chicken manure with dose of 200 gram has the highest average on 6 months after cultivating, which is 35.38 cm. And variety treatment of Rabi papaya give the real impact on the fruit circumference and superior to California papaya. The average of Rabi papaya reaches 34.20 cm. However, the interaction between variety treatment and 200 gram of chicken manure treatment doesn't give the real impact on the fruit circumference. Organoleptic examination in Californian papaya and Rabi papaya was conducted by 10 trained researchers. The major parameters in organoleptic examination on papaya fruit are taste, color, and texture. From the test done, the results shown in graphic. Based on the color test on the papaya fruit, most of the panelists gave orange, which means the taste is so sweet and smooth texture on the variety 2, P1, variety 2, P3, and variety 2, P4 treatment. In this section, we can see the result of papaya fruit, that the color taste the papaya is orange, and the taste is so sweet and smooth texture. The next discussion. The vegetative growth of the plant. Plant height, plant diameter, and number of leaves show the real improvement on the distribution of 150 grams of chicken manure fertilizer. The response of the vegetative plant showed that the addition of nutrients through the distribution of chicken manure fertilizer needs to be done to increase the availability of nutrition of the lands, especially those which are located in the area beneath the palm oil plantation. In order to increase the growth of papaya plants, fertilizer plays an important role in regulating biophysical and biochemical function of plants. 2. Plant production. Analysis of variants show that there is an interaction between California papaya with 200 grams of chicken manure distribution, and there is no interaction with fruit circumference parameter. Generally, the distribution of chicken manure can increase the papaya fruit length and circumference compared to the fruit which don't get the chicken manure treatment. The distribution of 200 grams of chicken manure result to the base length and circumference of the fruit for all variants. This phenomenon shows that on productive phase, papaya fruit which is planted as side plant of palm oil plant needs relatively much nutrition. It doesn't make any difference with vegetative fruit. The last discussion. The growth of palm oil plant. The growth of palm oil plant and papaya plants of two varieties as side plants after 2 months of cultivating doesn't show any competition during the growing time. It is shown in Table 4. The plant height, number of leaves, and palm oil plant diameter which is planted with polyculture technique with papaya plant as the side plant don't show the different growth with those which is planted with monoculture technique. So it can be concluded that papaya can be intercropped on 2 months of palm oil plant. It is aligned with what Suherman et al. Found the palm oil plant can be intercropped with corn without affecting the palm oil plant growth. Okay, this is the last presentation about conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion this study that the interaction between fruit variety with chicken manure fertilizer distribution show their real impact on the growth of the plant and papaya fruit production. Rabi papaya grow show better on vegetative phase and more productive compared to Californian variety. The growth of palm oil plant and papaya fruit doesn't show any competition during the growing time. And then suggestion for the study that papaya plant can be utilized as a side plant for palm oil plant in intercropping technique by means of 150 gram until 200 gram of chicken manure distribution per plant. Okay, thank you for attention.